Okay, Handyman Hensley up there in a tree. We're here doing a tree job, cutting back this tree from the power lines. He is up there, pretty high, windy, very windy, and we have about an hour until it starts storming, so hopefully we'll get it done. Babe!
Yeah.
You're on camera.
Oh, hey. Number one. Ollie.
Dork. Alright. Huh?
I was looking down there.
You look like an ant. Too far up. He's trimming it so that it doesn't fall on the house. But it's a pretty sturdy tree. The homeowner's pretty worried though if there's a storm. She wants to make sure that it'll be good. He's taking off quite a bit, so we're about to haul it away in this tiny little trailer. It seems like we're gonna get all of that in here, plus 2 more trees. Say bye.